Hi, hello, welcome to SAP SD Insider, SAP SD Knowledge Hub YouTube channel. Today we will discuss about the Material Master in SAP Sales and Distribution module. In this class, I will explain to you how to create the Material Master, what are the important fields in the Material Master, and also I will explain to you change and display mode of the Material Master. Once it is completed, I will explain how to extend the material from one sales line to another sales line. Sales line is nothing but already we discussed in the previous videos, enterprise structure. So sales line, what is the sales line here? So sales line is nothing but it is a combination of sales organization, distribution channel, and plant. Okay, then I will explain how we can create the new material with the existing material. Okay, with the reference of the existing material. Finally, I will explain the difference between the service material and trading and finished product in the Material Master. Okay, trading and finished product probably the same use we can see. Okay, different is only finished product means in our organization we can produce the goods, we are selling those goods to the customers. So that means here the PP module, that means production planning module also will takes place, otherwise we cannot produce the finished good. Okay, PP module also involved here. So trading goods means we are buying the product from the customer or vendor. Uh, so we can call it as a vendor only, because we are buying the products from vendor. We are getting from vendor location to our location here, and delivering the same goods to the customers. So this is called the trading goods. Okay, simply trading goods means from vendor to us and us to customer. So simply the flow is like this. Okay, that is trading good. The generally we can use like this. Okay, service material is ordered to relate, that is whenever we are provide service to the customers. Okay, suppose car service, any service. So we can change some amount, we have to charge some amount for service only. So create with the sales order and billing, sometimes we can do the periodic billing and milestone billing also for services. Okay, because for any product or materials, so suppose we are providing any services, then so services for long years, so maybe 2 3 years, they will have an agreement. Okay, so every month we need to raise a bill for the service. So that time you need to create a periodic billings. Okay, so I am going to show you now how to create the material with the with finished product. After that I will show you the service material also. Okay, so first of all we need to go to the next slide here. You can see here T codes and SAP easy access path for creating material. Okay, so we have a three T codes, completely three T codes here. That is create material, change material, and display material, MM01, MM02, and MM03. Okay, so MM0 is 01 is for creating material, MM02 is changing material. Okay, MM03 is display material. If you want to use the SAP easy access, so I have given here the path also. You can go to the logistics, material management, material master, create, change, display. Okay, create general only we can use, because there are all with the different modules. Okay, material master data using this point is very important, because we have seen a lot of views in the material master, so which is useful for these all modules. Okay, so material master data using in PP, PM. PP means production planning, PM means plant maintenance, and QM means quality maintenance, MM means material management, SD means uh, sales and distribution module. So these are all modules we are using the material master data. That's why so the material master data having lot of use. Okay, even we are using some of them only. So we have a lot of views in the material master using with the other modules as well. Okay, So I am going to show you now how to create out that path also, how to create the material master in SAP. So actually this is I will go from, I'll come from first. Okay, so this is the SAP easy access. You can see here, you can go to the logistics, suppose. So it is taking time, no problem. Okay, it will open. Otherwise simply you can type here the mm01, then directly it will go to okay, now you can go to material management. Okay, and here you can see a lot of things, purchasing, everything are there. Okay, now we are going to material master. Okay, here material. Now here you can see here create, create general, change, display, everything is there. Okay, so you can create general only. Click here. Okay, mm01 immediately. So directly it will go to here, this screen. Otherwise directly you can go to slash n mm01 to create material. Okay, so directly it will take here. So last I have created this, that's why it is showing this. Okay, so simply you now you have this screen. Okay, that's why my actually now go to mm01. This is the mm01 screen. Okay, now material number, if you enter the material number here, if you enter the material number wheel, it will create. Okay, the system will take your number and it will create the material on your number and it will give it to you. But if you will not, suppose if you not entered any number here. Okay, so system will create a number from the uh, external sorry, internal number range, from a internal number range, then it will give it to you. Okay, so because why this behavior is happening from the system, so we have maintained two number ranges in mmnr. Okay, so material number ranges we need to maintain, that is the mandatory configuration for the material creation. I will show you that as well. Okay, so you can you have to, suppose if you want to if you want any number, particular number, so you can enter here. Okay, otherwise system will give you one number to you. Okay, so I am not entering any number here. Okay, so now industry sector, you can see lot of industry sectors are there. Okay, here a lot of industry sectors are there. You can see of I am using the mechanical engineering. You can use maybe beverages, chemical industry. So the product based, as per the product, which the product is belongs to which industry sector, then you can give it the same sector here. Suppose the product is um, related to telecommunication, suppose, so you can give it like that. Okay, so anything you can give it. For test system I am giving only mechanical engineering. Okay, and this is the product, finished product, finished product. Okay, so these are the main important material types are there. So fat is very important. Hava is trading good, it is also very important. Okay, and the remaining so many are there, you can see here. Okay, and service materials also there. Okay, service materials also there. HL something HLLB, you can see fat finished product, Hava trading good. Okay, and packaging, VERP packaging materials also there. Okay, and you can see the service materials also there. Okay, so like this material type you need to enter. So I have entered here fat. Okay, so here you can see I will show you the number ranges first, because you need a clarity about this number ranges. So I am clicking the new screen here. Okay, Otherwise, click slash /mmnr, so it will directly take to that same screen. Okay, so this is the new screen I have entered. So mmnr, it's loading. Okay, okay, it will come, just a second. So define material master number ranges. See, so this is the description for this transaction, and it will enter. I have given enter, so it will open soon. Okay, so I will show you when it is open. Okay, actually here we have maintained internal and external number ranges, both ranges in for material master. That's why we have this prop we are using that. So whenever we are giving any number, it will take. So you can see here. So this is 1 to all lines. You can see total how many lines are there here. So we have total 7 lines are there. Okay, so in this range this is the external internal number range. This is the internal number range. Okay, so the system will take the number from this range and it will give it to you. Okay, so you should not whenever you not enter any number. Okay, so system will take the number from this range and it will give it to you. Okay, if you want, you can use this number range. So you, within this number range, you can you need to enter one number. So it is alphanumerical. Okay, so any other m/01, m/02, anything you can. So this is the external number range. Okay, you have to give to the system. So this is about the number ranges for the material master data. Okay, so I'm going to the next screen here, creation of material. Okay, so this is the, I have given the industry sector and material type. So now you have to give enter or select views. Okay, go to select views or give enter. If you give enter also, it will take to the select views. So I already created one material, that's why I have set the default setting for these selections. Okay, you have to select the basic data 1, basic data 2. Okay, and sales are data 1, sales are data 2, and sales general plan data 1. Okay, if you want to maintain the sales text, you can select this tab as well. And these are all not important as of now, and MRP is important somewhat. So you can select next the general plan data storage 1 and the general plan data storage 2, you can select. And accounting tab also you can select. So we have so many tabs here. Okay, we have so many tabs, but I am just taking the few only, because we are using as of now, as per the SD and purpose, somewhat we are using this. So suppose we are doing any sales process, these all tabs are very very important. That's why I'm taking this only. Okay, remaining also important for the other modules, but we are not doing any process for those. Okay, that's why I'm just only creating this is the test system. This is not a um, um, so this is not a production, right? So that's why I'm taking only few tabs for creating sales orders and getting an accounting entries like that. So I will show it to you later videos. So just I'm taking these few tabs to create the material uh, here. Okay, so you can give enter or select here. You can tick the continue button here. Okay, now system will ask you the plant and storage location and sales organization distribution date. These are the inputs for the material. So I am giving the plant ZMK1. I am this plant is created whenever I have explained the enterprise structure. That time I have created this one. So now this storage location also ZMK1 and sales are ZMK1, distribution channel MK. Okay. So these are the inputs I have given. So now I'm click continue here. You can see now it will goes to the this screen, the basic data one screen. So what are the tabs I have selected? Those tabs also here. So we need to enter some data. So all tabs will be showing here, but when we are giving enter, it will suppose I am not selecting classification here. So basic data 1 and basic data 2 I have created. So you can see the symbols here. What are the tabs I have selected? Those will be mandatory here. Otherwise, the remaining all not mandatory, and we need, we should not enter any data also in that. Okay. Whenever we are giving enter to after say basic data 2, so directly it will goes to sales arg 1. Okay. So like that. So I'm now you can see here the basic data, um, basic data here. Just a second. Basic data you can see here. This is the description of the material. Okay. Actually, in the ECC, this is the ECC system, HP6. Okay, this is the ECC system. We are able to enter only 18 characters alphanumeric only. Okay, but in S4HANA, it is 40 character. It is extended. Okay, so 40 character is very better than the 18 characters, because some companies having the large that means large descriptions also for the materials. So it is very important for the company point of view. It is a alphanumeric, any letter or any number it will take. So up to 40 characters in S4HANA, but up to 18 characters in ECC only. Okay, so that is most useful. And the material description, nothing but a suppose nothing mobile. I am giving here nothing mobile. Okay, sorry, nothing mobile. Okay. Okay, nothing mobile. I have given nothing mobile here. Okay, so here it is each. So you can give F4 here, then it will take here. This is a very important field, because it is a mandatory field, base unit of measure of the material. It is very important. If you go to the F4 here, then you can see here the pieces are each, anything you can keep. Okay, pieces are, I think I have given here each EA. That is better, because each. So each mobile I need to um, sell. Okay. So here old material number is there. Old material number is means, suppose some companies having upgraded to SAP from any other system. So they have some old material numbers, and they don't want to uh, that means compare. That means so they want to compare with the old material and new material, how what are the sales and everything. So the it is the material number from the old system. Okay, so you need to enter something 1 2 3 4 something, anything you can enter if it is there, otherwise no need. Okay, so this is the division. So division, if you know the division, so MK I have given MK. Your division you can give it here. So now material group. Here material group is very very important because some all materials having different groups. Okay, so different material having different groups. Suppose all telecommunication equipments, okay, and mobiles all one group, ACs also one group, so fridge also one group, all electronic goods. So we have all the electronic goods, home furnitures. So like that, fridges all one group, microwave ovens all one group, like that. So we have a different groups for the material. Okay, whenever suppose the, so this is about the group of the material you have to enter. Okay, so one more example I will give it to you here. So material groups, some material we have creating as a group. Suppose for example fuel materials, petrol, diesel, E10, E20, ethanol, all comes under the one group. Okay, so LPG, CNG comes under the one group. So those gaseous materials. So these are all petrol, diesel, everything are liquid state, and LPG, CNG, those are all in gaseous states. That's why um, we have maintaining groups for the materials. Okay, suppose in the electronic equipment, TVs are all one group, but we have different types of TVs within the group as well. So those are sold within the different divisions also. Okay, so microwaves one group, washing machines one group, AC all, we can create all different groups. Okay, so this groups maintained by people, team. Okay, we can use it here. So if you want to see this, you can go to give a F4 here, then you will have the material groups here. Okay, if you want, you can you have to maintain here. So I am using here electronics because this mobile is completely belongs to electronic good, right? So extended group, if you have extended group, you can give it, otherwise no need. Okay, now old material I already explained, division I explained. Okay, so product allocation, if you see this product allocation, this is a different topic actually. This is not belongs to us, those are not required as of now. Okay, explant status also, it is also explant status also. If you want to restrict this material from some plants, okay, so you can you can use this explant material status. So from where you can use the valid, here you can give the date. Suppose here you need to maintain something, and you have to maintain the valid date as well. Okay, so then onwards the explant status will be applicable. Okay, like that. So I have clicked it here, F4. Okay, no problem. So now this is the gross weight and net weight of the material. So so we are transporting the package of materials. Okay, so it's open, explant status, you can block it for something, block it for purchasing, block it for costing, everything here is maintained. You have, if you want, you can maintain otherwise. So if you maintain here something, you are doing any sales process, it will give error. Okay, because it's a block for processes. Okay, now gross weight, suppose I'm giving 20 for one pack. So 19 kgs for 19 kgs net weight for one pack. Okay, so here very very important is one more thing here. You can see I have given the base unit of measure EA here. That means each uh, uh, each each item. Okay, sometimes we are uses pieces also. Okay, so I'm using here 20 for gross weight of package and net weight package. Okay, so here in the additional data there is a unit of measure is there. Unit of measure, you can see here, you can maintain here one piece. 1 piece is equals to 1 each. 1 piece is equals to 1 each. Okay. One piece is equal to 1 each. So go to maintain the, so that is the unit of measure, very important base unit of measure. If you want to change the so whenever you are creating sales order, so it is allowed to change EA to pieces also if you maintain here, otherwise it will not allow, it will give the error. Okay. So now so 1 piece is equal to 1 each I have maintained here. Okay. Whenever creating sales order, that is very important. You will not give any interview if you want to change the year to pieces automatically. Okay. So that is the material base unit. Okay. If you want to sell the pieces, if you can change it pieces also. Okay. So system will not will allow to you create sales order when, so simply, so if you not maintain there here, then it will give an error. Okay. So next so just give enter here. Okay. Now it is go to system will is taken to basic data 2. Here nothing is important here, but in the real time you will get some important fields here, so then you can maintain. Okay. Generally we can't use anything here, but if you have any other areas, if you want to use, you can use it. Okay. Now give enter. um, yes, now sales are gone. Okay. Sales are gone. Here you can see a base unit of measure and material group division. Okay. Base unit of measure, material group division. uh, so it's automatically it will fill from the first previous tabs. So we already given this inputs to this system, that's why it is copying from there. Okay. So this sales part everything, uh, our fields, our tabs only. So what are the data is here, then it will automatically reflect to the sales orders and invoice process everything. Okay. Delivery everything. So these three fields are copying from the base the previous tabs. Okay. Sales unit means here you can see this field. Sales unit means we are selling goods to the customer, means where the dealer to the company. Okay. Here dealer to the, actually uh, we are selling the customer to the we are selling goods to the customers, right? But customer is if you if he buy one product, he is not a customer to the company. Okay. So we do, actually we are, suppose Santur soap is there, we already discussed this topic earlier. Santur soap is there, just we are buying one product from shopkeeper. We are not a customers, we are the consumers for the company, Santur company. But customer, who is the customer for the Santur company? So there is one dealer is there who is supplying these soaps to shopkeepers. That person is a customer for the company. So company will treat that customer as a uh, cu- customer only. Okay. So dealers, sorry. So company will treat the customer, that customer, as a dealer of the company. Okay. So simply we can say it as a customer is a dealer for the company. Okay. Customer is a dealer for the company. So here you can see sales unit, suppose he cannot buy a single item. So I already told you, right? We are buying so dealer will buy a bulk in bulk, hundreds, thousands pieces, everything. Okay. Suppose they are buying in boxes. If you see, yeah, every packaging we have with the boxes only, right? So box contains 10 items, 100 items, like that. So suppose one nothing mobile, so having with the boxes, one box containing 10 piece, suppose. So here I'm maintaining box here. Okay. Here I'm maintaining box. Okay. So that case we need to use. Okay. Suppose we have it 10 mobiles in one box. Okay, if you enter here, suppose if you enter here, see, system will ask you one box is equals to how many boxes is equals to how many each. So I am giving here one box is equals to 10 mobiles. One box is equals to 10 mobiles. Okay, system is automatically calculate inside. So whenever you are entering the as a boxes, so how many pieces it will be. Suppose two boxes you have entered, so automatically system will calculate 20 pieces. Okay, like that. So now Germany, this is very important tax classification. You can see inside give a F4 here. So there is a no tax, full tax, off tax, and low tax rate. So I am giving full tax. So this also maintained by us only. Okay. So Germany state, Germany country will uh, charge the tax on the particular products. Okay. So that is very important. As a salesperson, you need to maintain this. Okay. And you can see here. What okay, okay, here you can see x the distribution chain status. Okay, so using the box the material for plant, that's already explained. Okay, here delivering plant also very important. As a sales prospective, I'm entering here delivering plant ZMK2 because I have two plants. So I am suppose delivering plant. I want to deliver this product to this plant. Okay. So this is the one ZMK2 I enter here. Okay. Next, you can see here delivering plant is very best concept is there. We need to discuss. Okay, starting whenever we are creating one plant, uh, we need to copy to into the plant determination in the sales order. Okay, so plant determination means how the plant will be determined from the master data to sales order. Okay, whenever we are creating sales order, the automatic plant determination will be there. So that plant will be coming from here. So simply I will tell you. So this is very important. Just listen to me carefully. Here generally the plant will be determined based on the three checks. Okay, so if you maintain the customer material info records, CMIR, we have the next topic that one only. I will post the video. So CMIR, customer material info record, then the plant will be determined from the CMIR. Okay. If you did not maintain that customer material info record, then it will search from the customer master records. So I already explained the customer master records. Okay. So where there we have maintained the plant also. Okay, so if you not maintain CMIR, then whenever you are creating sales order, so you can enter the customer as well, right? So the plant will be determined from the customer master records. If you do not maintain in the customer master records, then it will check the material master record. Okay, delivering plant here, you can see this. So it will get from delivery plant only. Okay, whenever you are entering a material in the sales order, then it automatically it will pick. First it will check the CMIR. After it is check the customer master records. After it last it will check the material master records. Okay, now here taxes, I already explained, very important, you have to maintain. So this material is liable for tax. Suppose for the country you have to for the example, this delivering plant is relevant for Germany. Okay, only Germany country is liable for tax. If you are exporting this if you want to export this material to the other country, so it is not liable for tax. Okay. Okay, here you can maintain one for Germany and the other for zeros. If you want to tax classification system, suppose I will post the video for the tax classification also. Okay, simple. Simply the delivery plant country is label for tax, remaining we can consider as a tax exemption. Okay, so that is because for the remaining countries this material is as a trading good. So trading goods having the some other charges, not a taxes. Okay. um, and as per the company requirements and norms, uh, what we consider as a export sales. Okay, no, no tax is applicable for that, some special charges also. Okay, so depends upon the company, sorry, country. Okay, country tax um, details like that. Okay, so now you can go to the down minimum order quantity. If you give minimum order quantity, suppose I am giving 10 here. Okay, whenever we are creating sales order less than this quantity, system will give a warning message here. Okay, so I'm not so actually system will not stop to create the sales order, but it will give them warning message. Okay, so what are the minimum delivering quantity? Suppose 10. Okay, so minimum delivery quantity also I'm giving here 10. Actually, whenever we are creating delivery with the less than the minimum delivery quantity, it will give the error or warning message. As what actually this errors and warning message in the configuration settings we can give. Okay, we need to give the uh, whenever we are doing minimum order minimum delivery quantity, then system will give error or warning. We need to set up the system. So there is a configuration path is there for the material. I will show it now. Just a second, I will show you. If you go to here, okay, and start slash nmspro slash nspro, this is the configuration path, SAP referenced img. Okay, now you can see here logistic general. Okay, here material master, here configuring the material master and field selection, everything is there. Field selection, basic settings, and everything is there here. So we need to configure the material master data screens here. So which field is mandatory, which field is not mandatory, and which field you can suppress, which field can be display, and what are the so what are the screens you want. Okay, like that everything. So if you want to uh, click this as a error, suppose you want to fix this as a error, so whenever we are doing delivery minimum less than 10, then system you want to give the system to be suppose system will give warning message if you keep the warning message in the configuration. Otherwise system will give error message if you set up the error message for this field in the configuration in the material master. Okay, like that. So this is very very important for those. Okay, so you can see here the delivery item category level. Actually minimum order quantity and minimum delivery quantity I explained, right? So in the delivery item category level, we have an option to put the warning message. Okay, or error message. No influence options are there. So we can do the as per the business requirement. Okay, if you maintain the error message, the system will throw the error message while we are creating delivery less than 10 quantity. More than 10 quantity, it will allow to create the delivery. Okay, and if you maintain the warning message, if you sorry, in the configuration that it is on the delivery item level category. Okay, so it is this setup is delivery item level category. If you maintain the warning message, so it will give the warning message while we are creating the delivery with less than 10 quantity. So influence means so it is also not calculating. Okay, this is sales this is about the minimum order quantity and the minimum delivery quantity. Okay, so now click enter. Now you can see the warning message here. So material not yet created in supplying plant. So I have given the plant this material is created with ZMK1 plant, and I have given here the delivering plant as a ZMK2. So that's why this material is not created with in this plant. It is giving warning. So it is warning. No need to consider it now. But uh, whenever you are doing sales process, it should be the same material will be there in ZMK2 as well. Okay. So we have to extend this. So I am click enter again. Now it's go to sales arc tab 2. Okay. So you can see here it is also most important important fields account assignment group. You can see account assignment group is very important here. So basically account assignment group will be um, uh, actually it is the item category group. Okay, once we are creating document, okay, our condition values and move to the GL account based on some combinations. Okay, condition type KOFI and sales organization which is used in sales order, and chart of accounts which is used in finance. Okay, and account assignment group for the material, and account assignment group for the customer, and account key in the pricing procedure. So these all combination we are giving the accounting entry for the sales organization for the finance purpose. So if you complete this price so I am completing the price class also. I will post the video, so then you will get the idea. Okay, otherwise you will maintain the finished product having 03. Okay, so here I am given the account assignment group as a, so it's a finished product, right? So that's why I have given 03 here. So here item category group is NARC. It is taken from the previous tab only. Okay, here you can see 03 item category group is norm. Okay, and you can see the here if you want to know this material, what is this material, everything, you can see this information symbol. Okay, if you click here, you can see the what is the material number, and what is the industry sector, what is the material type. Okay, so everything you can see here if you want, otherwise no need. Okay, so now give enter. Here you can see this is the tab for general plant, sales general plant. Okay, so here base unit of measure, gross weight, net weight. Okay, everything is copied from the previous tabs. Okay, and availability check, it is very important in the availability check. So I will post availability check video also. Based on the product availability, system can create dates for delivery. Okay, so there is a forward scheduling and backward scheduling are there. Okay, batch management, you can see the batch management here. So generally we are sending this product to batch wise. Okay, if your company found any issue with the item for the batch, then they will call back the whole batch to the plant for the repair. Okay, and they can resolve the issue uh, the calling back the batch number. Okay, next here transportation group and loading group is very important. Okay, so availability check I have given here 01. You can see daily requirements. Okay, and KP is no check. KP is no check. So if you don't want this availability check anymore, then you can keep KP. That is better. Okay. Now go to the transportation group mandatory, and transportation group means how the goods sent to the customers. Suppose by road, by ship, or by flight, like that. Okay. So I'm giving 04 here, 004. So by train. Okay. Here loading group also very important for shipping point determination. Okay, so loading group here I am giving loading group as a manual. Okay, so profit center is very important here. Profit center also is very important. uh, Okay. Profit center is maintained by FA people, not for us. So I'm not maintaining anything here now as of now. It is actually, but it will get it from the company code. Okay. Enter once, click enter. Now you will go to the system, will take you to the sales tax. So if you want to maintain any sales tax here, then you can maintain. I'm maintaining nothing mobile here. Okay. So if you give enter, it will not go to the next tab. So just click here and give enter. So directly it will take to MRP1 tab. You can see. So here MRP type is there. MRP type, if you go to F4 and the no planning you can keep. Okay. As of now, no need this MRP. And base unit and MRP group is also actually availability we have used for actually this MRP tab is using for availability check only, so it is not required. So now you can enter no planning. Okay, now give enter. It is take it to the plant data storage one. You can see here it is also data required. If you want to uh, do storage location determination, suppose storage location determination, you have to maintain the storage conditions here. Okay, storage conditions is very important. So I am giving standard storage conditions 01 only. Okay, 01. Now give enter. There is remaining all are not most important. Okay, just I'm click enter. Here accounting tab is very important for the finance purpose. Okay, this most important. Base unit and division are copied from here. Base unit accounting tab. So this is the plant location. Sorry, we can go to next tab. This is the accounting tab. Here base unit of measure and division is copying from the previous tabs. Okay, valuation class is mandatory here for the finance purpose. You can maintain here if you go to the F4 and particular value will be maintained for the particular material type. So here I am creating the finished products. So there is a 7920 is there. You have to maintain this. Okay, and finance team, actually this has been done by the finance team. Okay, can be created valuation class for the fat finished product. Hava, they can use different values. Okay, so then different different values like that. Okay, they are using valuation class for the, they are using GL accounts as well for particular number. Whatever we are done goods issue. Okay, it's given an accounting entry in that GL account for the material. Okay, price control, here price control is there. It is also important, very important for standard price and moving average price. So here I have maintained the standard price. Okay, standard price. So standard price which are produced or buy it from. Okay, if it is a finished product, the cost we need to maintain here. So moving average price, standard price. So I have given here standard price. You have to maintain the standard price here in this field. Okay, the cost of the material. If you know the future price also, suppose if you know the future price, then you need to enter here what is maybe. Okay, so that will calculate from the dates given in the valid to also. So the company decide to increase the price for this material from some date, so you can give this here. Okay, now suppose you can give here something. No, no need. Okay, click here. Now system is asking which price? Yes, enter standard price. Yes. So your system will asking you, you are about to exit, so do you want to save your data for this material first? Yes. So I want to save this data because I want to create the material. So I have given S. Now you can see 2040 material is created. Okay. Now, so what I have done now, I am created one material with industry sector mechanical engineering and material type fat finished product. Okay. So if you want to change this material, now you can have to go to T code /n mm02. Okay. So if you can see I have created 2040 material now. Click enter, and you can select. I already default setting is there, that's why it came. Now click enter the plant ZMK1, storage location ZMK1, validation type nothing, and sales organization ZMK1, distribution channel MK, and click on continue. Now you can see everything will be there here. If you want to change any data, you can change it, otherwise so no need. Okay. Like this, like this. So see, click enter, 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 enter. So I have saved this. Now if you want to display the material mm03, mm03, so click enter. So again it's asked the views. So again it will ask the plant, storage location, and sales organization, division. Now click on continue. You can have a display mode here, you can see. Okay, this is the display mode. So up to now I have explained the creation of material, change of material, and display of the material. Okay. Now I am going to explain about the extend the material from one sales line to another sales line. So I am using the same material here what I have created just now. Okay. So go to mm01 /n mm01. Okay. And I have created 2040 material here. Okay. And I have taken the same reference here because I need to have the same data for the same. Okay. Same material. Just click enter and selected views. Okay. Now see here, system will pop up that organizational level, so which is a copy from and organization level. So I want to copy from, so ZMK1 plant, storage location ZMK1, and sales organization ZMK1, and distribution channel MK. So I want to do like this. Okay. Now I want to copy to plant ZMK2, sales organization storage location MEAM1. Okay. And sales organization ZMK1 and distribution channel MK. Now you can see here, so I have entered everything here. Just I'm click continue. So it will copy the material will extend to that plant. Okay. So click enter, 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 and here if you want to change, you can change anything. No, otherwise no need. Okay. Enter, 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 and yes, finally you can click as. Now 2040 is created for the second plant ZMK2. So I want to show, if you want to show that, I will show it to you. That MN03 you can go and same material 2040 and give the display views. Here I am entering plant ZMK2 here. Okay. And the storage location MAM1, and sales organization ZMK2 K1, and MK distribution channel. Click on continue. Yeah, we have the material in ZMK2 plant as well. Okay, I have created in ZMK1 plant. I have extended the same material to the ZMK2 plant. Okay, so I have completed the extension of plant to the other sales line. Now I'm going to explain about the creation of plant is creation of material is completed, extend is completed. Now display is completed. Okay, so this is the overall class for the material master data. Okay, so up to now what I have done, just a second, I need to explain one more thing here. So create different material, so with the reference also. So already I explained the reference. So whenever you go to mm01 screen /n mm01, so I have given here 2040 reference, but I am not given any number here. Okay, so system will give you new number, new material number, but the total data, the material data will be copied from the existing material. That is called reference. Okay, so whenever you have given a year reference number, then system will copy from the data, copying data from the reference number. Okay, reference material number. So if you want to change the anything, any one field or two fields, you can change it and you can save. Okay, that is about all about creation of material with the reference. Okay, so I need to tell you one thing here, the material types, that is very very important. How are trading goods and fact finished goods. Okay, you can see, you can service materials also there in this service material. Okay, Dane is there. Where it is, where it is, here you can see Dane is a service method for the service purpose. Suppose water service, car water service, so we need to create one material in the system as a service material, then we can charge to the customer. Okay, like that. So this is all about material master data in SAP SD, very very important one, because we are using mm, this in sales order creation, our OTC process. Okay, so please learn carefully and do all types of materials in the practice. That is very very important. Then so see, up to now I explained the creation of material data and difference between finished product, service product, and everything, and creation of material, change of material, display of material, and extend the material from one plant to another plant. That means one sales line to another sales line, and creation of material with reference material. Okay, so these are all I explained, and what are the important fields in the material master data I explained. Okay, so just please watch the video, then like, comment, share my videos. Okay, please subscribe my channel. So this is about all about the material master data. So please watch this video and share, comment. Thank you very much.